Alright, hey guys, I had crap all over my face. I was just helping my mom put the Christmas lights up for a second. I'm packing the mail. It's my Christmas present, one of them, but I'm playing next weekend, and my parents are getting me some other stuff, and I already know what this is. Like, my parents already got me my Eclipse pants. '09 Eclipse pants. I bought them used. Some other stuff. So right now I just got my package in the mail. And I'm gonna open it now. It's my white on white proflex and some hater sauce. Box cutter. Yeah, my proflex and my hater sauce. So yeah, like it. I've actually never opened a mask brand new, so let's see what it's like. Looks like ANSQ returns paper, my invoice. There we got soft ears with the screws. Got white bottoms. White frames with a clear lens. That looks so sick. That's gonna be so nice. I got contract killer strap. Paper and my hater. Need to put the paper here. So this is nice. And that mask is gonna look so sweet once it's all together. Yeah. People online are saying hater sauce smells really bad. It does. Smells really bad. But alright, I guess I'll get like another video up once I get my proflex together. Thanks for watching.